interested in hearing where we started investing and where we hold our money, and we got a big response from that. So in this video, I'm just gonna go over when I started investing, where I started investing, and exactly where we hold our money. The first investment I made in my entire adult career was in our business. I actually bought this business in 2008, and today, our business is 61% of our net worth. Now that percentage is based upon what we would value the business at, and what we would value the business at is 1 year of gross revenue. So that's 61% of my net worth right now is in my business. So if I wanted to liquidate that, I would have to sell the business to liquidate 61% of my net worth. So obviously that's gonna be the biggest portion. After we bought the business and I was in business for about a year or two, the second investment I made was in buying a home. And I'm on my third house now, meaning I've bought, sold, and I'm on my third house now. But at my overall net worth, I have 20% of my net worth in our home, AKA real estate. And on a regular basis, we do home upgrades, which I think of as an investment. I do tasteful upgrades that are actually adding value to the house. And a little tip, when it comes to real estate, the number one thing that you can do to add value to a house, a single family home, is add square footage using permits. A lot of fixtures and upgrades and decorating and things of that nature don't actually add as much value as you might think. Now, landscaping and things of that nature are gonna add perceived value, but again, the number one way to add value to residential real estate is by adding square footage. Okay, so we bought our business, we bought our house, then I started investing in a retirement plan. My third investment that I made was by starting our Roth IRA, and today I have 7.38% of my overall net worth at 33 years old in a Roth IRA. So we're maxing that out every month, which I believe is just north of $5,500 a year per person. So combined, me and my wife are putting in just over $11,000 a year into that Roth IRA. So you can only put so much into a Roth, and then you have to look for another investment. And from there, we started a simple SEP, which is for our company. So it's the same plan that we offer to our team members if they've been working here for a year or longer. My wife and I also contribute to that simple SEP, and in that simple SEP, we have 1.84% of our overall net worth in that simple SEP. So it's a small amount. And then after that, we started a health savings account, HSA. In that HSA, I have 0.38%, so less than a percent of our net worth in that HSA. Then in cash, in case the market falls and I want to buy more index funds, which we're going to talk about in a second, in cash, I have 2.8% of my net worth in cash, ready to buy index funds if we do come across a crash or a reset in the stock market. Now, as far as index funds, let's see, stocks, I've got 3.9% of my net worth in stocks, specifically in index funds. We're not investing in single stocks as of right now. I'm mostly investing into VOO, which is a Vanguard index fund, and VGT, which is a technology index fund. So again, 3.9% of our overall net worth in that, and then we have 1.3% in a savings account just in our bank, and that's for our business in case for cash flow purposes and things of that nature. It's like a security fund, if you will. So that's our overall net worth. Any questions, let me know in the comments. You guys want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, press the like button. We greatly appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.